Hello，咁咧上一段片咧就同大家講完呢個因果關係啦，主要講咗呢個 so、because、since 同埋as 啦，同埋點樣用佢哋嚟表示呢個因果關係啦。咁嗰一段片咧就會同大家繼續講一講，就係關於另一種關係啦，即係句子嘅可以表示嘅另一種關係啦，就係呢個相反或者轉接嘅關係。咁最常見嘅話咧，亦都最簡單嘅話咧，就係用 but 啦、但是啦呢個連接詞啦嚟去做一個相反轉接嘅一個標示啦，咁樣。咁譬如個例子就係 I like football，but I don't play it often。即係我好中意踢波，但係我就唔經常踢咁樣。咁啊，but 呢個咧係表示緊一個但是啦咁嘅一個情況。咁同樣地啦，可以表示相反或者轉接關係嘅 conjunctions 咧，仲有呢個 although 啦，同埋 even though 嘅。咁啊，although 同 even though 咧係解雖然啦，或者即使嘅。即係你可能會話，although it was cold, she didn't wear a jacket。雖然好凍，但佢冇着褸咁樣。咁又或者你可以話，even though he studied, he failed the test。即使佢有讀書啦，但係佢都唔合格咁樣。咁我都同 even 都咧，都係解雖然啦，咁樣，大家都係好似嘅啫。我都同 even 都係好接近嘅，但係咧，其實咧，even 都嘅語氣咧會更加之強嘅，係啦，even 都嘅語氣咧會比我都更加之強啦。咁啊，如果你講一啲好 formal 嘅嘢嗰陣時，你可以用 even 都咁樣。咁啊，有一個用 although 同埋 even though 咧，會有一個好常見嘅錯誤啦，就係大家可能會將 but 啦，會同 although 同 even though 配埋一齊用。但係記住一樣嘢啦，其實 although 同 even though 咧係唔會同 but 一齊用嘅。咁正如我成日見到啲學生作句子，佢可能會話 although it is cold，but I don't want to wear a jacket。雖然天氣凍，但我唔想着外套。咁其實你可能用中文嚟理解啦，你覺得呢句嘢係 OK 嘅，雖然但是啊嘛。咁但係呢個英文嚟講咧就唔得嘅，即係英文嘅 although 後邊咧係唔會配 but 一齊嚟用噶吓。即係英文嘅話咧就會省略咗個 but 嘅，即係個用 although 嗰陣時候咧係暗示已經有個 but 喺度啦，你唔使要再加個 but 落去噶。加咗 but 嘅話咧就會錯噶吓，所以記住正確用 although 同 even though 咧係唔配 but 嘅，即係你會話 although it is cold。I don't want to wear a jacket 咯，就唔會加個 but 喺 I 之前咁樣。咁啊，要記住呢一樣嘢，因為我見過有唔少同學仔係會錯咁樣。OK，咁啊講呢個轉接同埋表示呢個相反嘅關係啦，就講到呢度啦。咁下一段片咧，我哋就會講埋最後一款關係啦，就係關於呢個時間嘅關係，即係講一啲次序嘅嘢。咁啊，我哋下一段片再見，拜拜。